Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and a wide selection of engines and features. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,